have a strange-looking AC motor.
Giveaway time!
Do you like to know who's the hottest among your friends? Well, the Seek thermal camera can't help you with that. But considering I'm reaching 1 million subscribers, it must be me. The Seek thermal camera is an awesome tool for troubleshooting and research, so I passed 2 of them to my beloved patrons at patreon.com. Also, I leave a link to the products in my video description. Patrons, man, they're making my channel happen. So, خیلی ممنون, which in English means much thank. But man, I'm reaching 1 million subscribers anytime now. What the? There, back on the path to glory. Anytime now. Please subscribe to my channel and do the bell to receive notifications. What else? Drop a like. And I still need to figure out what to do to celebrate the 1 million subs. So leave a suggestion below while you're at it. Thanks. Hi, I was able to make the oil fly. Every day I'm bombarded with comments about the video from my Russian company. If I pronounce it correctly. I bet you've seen it. He has made a tower that creates around 500,000 to 1 million volts or higher, doing a series of super dangerous experiments, so much that even I was worried for their lives. Actually, based on their page, if Google Translate did its job right, it seems they are from Ukraine, pretty close to the Russian border.